Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special unboxing video to do. We got DHL special. Haven't seen these guys in a while. Hope everyone had a good weekend so far. Happy 4th of July. And hope everyone had a good day so far. But we made it, guys. It's a new month. Hope everybody is staying home, staying safe. And we got a special unboxing to do, guys. So all I gotta do is click the link down below, check them out, and see what other goodies they have to offer besides this item. Oh boy. Here we go. Let's rock and roll, guys. Let's see what this is and what it does. What it do, I just don't know yet. Let's see what was there. Alrighty. Whoa. I think this is on Amazon. If not, I'll have it corrected. Gotta double check it. This is coming from WINEES. Pet friendly home security alarm kit. Oh, hassle-free monitoring. Alright, there's camera. There's a alarm sensor type deal. Wow. They got the window ledges sensor. That's like for the walkway, your pantry, your foyer. You can put this there. Camera anywhere in your house. It's a Google App Store. And this must be the receiver. Oh, I can't wait to look into this one, guys. This should be a fun one to do. Alright, ooh. Look at this packaging. Really nice and look at that. I like that presentation. Yeah, buddy. Alright, let's pull these out. See? This is like that James Bond technology, you know, or Mission Impossible. It's like those sensors you walk by, motion sensors. That's word. Is it batteries? Comes with this. We had to pull. There we go. So it's gonna run off an app, and we're gonna have to set that up. But this is the main thing we're gonna have to connect to with the Wi-Fi. So you download the app, and these are for your Windows. These are really nice to have. Definitely gonna hook these up. I don't know, with the holiday approaching, I think it might be a good time to beef up security, especially with fireworks distraction. It's a good way to, you know, do those dirty deeds. So you want to beef up your security with this one. This is a nice one. I think it's under $100 too, so definitely affordable to get for your home. Just in case, you know. It's always good to be a few seconds ahead of somebody. Especially now. Got the mic, got the speaker, the lens, got the antenna. This should be a good one though. And we got wall mounts. Not sure I'm gonna mount these yet. It should be 3M sticky. I'll just position it somewhere in the house, throughout the house, to show you guys how the app works and everything. So it should be a good one though. We're gonna do some YouTube magic in a second or two. Okay, here is the power supply. We got the USB. We got the charger there. We got some goodies in here. Some screws. Reset key. That's for that guy. That guy over there. And now the final box. But yeah, definitely a nice job packaging this. This would be a nice housewarming gift. Oh, we got another one. Another charger, USB. Alright. So that, let's clean up a little bit. And like I said, there's going to be an app to download. Oops, I need a manual. Come back out. Oh boy. Take a look at the manual for a second. There should be a QR code. Okay. yeah, LED sensor, motion sensor, and we already did the bracket, the battery, the reset button. Like I said, once I get the app downloaded, we'll get that all set up and running. I'm gonna have to use my iPhone because I'm recording on the Galaxy S20 Ultra Plus front camera. Okay, same thing. Just gotta see what the app is called. It's probably called WINEES. 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 Hope I pronounced that right. Get the linked app store. Oh, Kind. It's gonna be called. Just in case you lose your manual, you can always come back to this. It's right up there. Kind app from the App Store or Google Play. Yeah, because I'm charging my iPhone right now, so we're gonna do that in a second. Okay, pretty much everything else is simple. It's installed with the Wi-Fi. So that once you get the app downloaded, it's gonna bring up, you know, the settings and all that. So I'll show you guys in about 2 seconds. Alrighty, YouTubers, gloves are on. We're gonna plug them in, see what happens. I'm not no professional, so if I could do it, you guys could do it. But if you guys have older folks, you might want to help them out. So, whoa! Alright, that one beeped. It's gonna do its thing. Camera should be spinning in a second. So now I think we're gonna have to go on the app. And I do believe this is a Indiegogo project that's coming out, so definitely help these guys out. Help see how it's spinning. It's doing a spin Rooney. That's where the micro SD slot goes on top. So we're gonna let it do its little. There we go. Okay, now I think we hit the plus.
Welcome. Please add the camera in the app.
Oh, we are. Surveillance, security, Zigbee. That's on one. Okay, security. Add. Dun, 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 dun. That's one right down here. So they got other goodies coming up. So green light is flashing. That's where you have to enter your Wi-Fi, connect your phone Wi-Fi to the device. Okay. Wi-Fi. Siren. I think that's what it was. Siren. So that's flashing. See right here? Right there it's flashing. I think we did it. Next step. Oh. IP, maybe it's. Okay, it's got the hub connected. Maybe it's IP. IPC. Okay. I think we got it. There we go. Alright. It's connecting. Okay. Next step. Yep. It'll show this. Pause. Alright, let's see. I got it right. Saying connecting to. Searching. Hopefully I did it right, guys. Getting kind of nervous. I don't think it's going to show anything important, so 98 seconds left on the counter. Hopefully I did this right. I think I did. It's almost there. I can feel it. Oh, right, it's flashing. That one's flashing. Confirm. Alright. Let's see if I did it right.
Unable to establish connection with Wi-Fi. Please check.
Guys, everything is set up, ready to go. I can show you where I installed the window protectors. That's what I call them. Camera was easy to set up. Really nice quality picture. I'll show you that in a second. So we got it all set up right here. We got the siren hub. That is this guy right there. He's working his magic, make sure everything's all connected. And then the back door, that's where I got the big motion sensor for right now. I just want to do it for the video to show you guys how it looks and everything. The window protectors are in my spare bedroom and in my mom's room. So got that hooked up in there. And a camera. This is so cool. Look how clear this is. You can tilt it like that. Record it once you put your SD card in. Take pictures, snapshots. So I'm not sure where I'm going to have this camera installed, because I already got one in this room, but I might replace it because I like this one a lot better. And down here, he has a joystick. And you can control it with that way if you like. You know. See? That is clear. So definitely check them out. Give them some support on Indiegogo. I'll leave the link down below for them. And there you go, stamp date. So, alright, I still gotta put this in the other rooms. I think it's like their hub for the window protectors. I'm not 100% sure what they call it, but that's what I call it. I call it their hub. Let me double check though. But thank you guys for watching today, and hopefully you guys learned something. It's really easy to use. But like I said, for older folks, you might want to help them out. You could set up the sensor, the sound. Alright, so we'll just skip that. But we know what they're called. And then the back door. See, right now there's no sensor, so we're gonna go over there in 2 seconds. Alright guys, we're in the kitchen now. See, now we got this, see, right away. Boom. It'll alert you right away that there's motion. And I got it up here. So I got lucky and I had to drill it or stick any sticky tape, and it's holding perfect. So it has a good range, especially if someone does try to break in. It will definitely pick up the motion of them. But hopefully we don't have to come down to it. And now we're gonna go to the spare bedroom. Now I'm only gonna show you the one, because like I said, it's pretty much the same. So hold on one sec. Alright guys, we're in the spare bedroom, and I think it's this one. There it is. So we got that right there. Really cool. Once you walk away, let this go off. Here we go. Hold on one sec. And now we're back here. So there's different scenes you could change. You have it create a scene. Other devices, you could change it, name it. For the kitchen. Security. This is once you're away, you could disarm it. Away, SOS, smart vacation mode. You can set up Let's see what else. And this, click on backdoor settings. More about. Oops. There you go, you can change that, select the icons. So really cool, guys. Easy to install. Definitely check them out. Link will be down below. Have a great holiday weekend and be safe.